afternoon, respectable judges, teammates, and audience. My name is Adele, and I am the final speaker of the affirmative team, and we are debating for the motion that laissez-faire is the best environmental policy. First, I would like to start off with some rebuttals. The honorable opposition has given an example of dinosaurs. However, their extinction was not caused by their own decisions, but a natural occurrence. Furthermore, humans are far more greedier than dinosaurs were because of our higher intelligence. My honorable opponents have provided many cases where this is true. This shows how much humans desire change and control over their surroundings. This is what separates us from other species. Secondly, polluting the air, deforestation have allowed developing countries to become more developed, as there are many economical benefits to these things, which is why humans continue to partake in these activities. Do you honestly think that developing countries will put environment first and foremost into their minds rather than aiming to become more developed? Now I'd like to move on to some points of my own. Firstly, when humans try to help global warming, some might not be well educated enough and do the exact opposite and make the situation even worse than it already is. Secondly, it is proven that the current warming trend strongly correlates to the natural Milankovitch cycles, says Andrew McCain, geophysicist and astronomer from MIT. For the past millions of years, the natural climate has oscillated between warmer periods and ice ages. The shifting in and out of warm periods and ice ages correspond to these cycles. These cycles take place over hundreds of thousands of years. The cycles have to do with the amount of solar forcing imposed within our climate system. Anything we do on planet Earth will do little to nothing on impacting the situation. Therefore, it is better to let nature take its course, as we can do nothing extensive about it, even if we tried our best. My third point is, when countries and big organizations try to help global warming, it usually involves a huge sum of money and resources. Because global warming is a natural cycle, like I said before, we can't do that much about it. The money and resources that countries spend will inevitably be wasted. This money can have a much better use somewhere else. For example, the U.S. government has already spent $79 billion solely on global warming research. This $79 billion would be much better spent feeding the starving people in Africa, for example. Therefore, I strongly conclude for me and my team that laissez-faire is the best environmental policy. Thank you.
Very nice.